Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Dr. Mubasshra. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I will share with you what is MRCP Part 2 and how to pass MRCP Part 2 in first attempt with minimum time and minimum efforts. So watch my video till the end. So first of all, what is MRCP Part 2 or what is the format of MRCP Part 2? It is a written exam with two papers on a single day. Each paper is of 3 hours duration with 100 MCQs in each paper. And these are the best of 5 and there is no negative marking. It is just like MRCP Part 1 but difficulty level is a bit high and there are many clinical questions with pictures, dermatological lesions, radiograph, X-ray, MRI and CT scan as well as ECG. So this is the main difference between MRCP Part 1 and MRCP Part 2. So you need to know not only the medical stuff, but you also need to interpret the data and information provided. MRCP Part 2 dates and schedule. There are 4 diet exams throughout the year and there are maximum of 6 attempts. Fees for UK candidates is £460. But if you are an international student, then the fee is £616 and you can apply for these exams through MRCP UK website. Now let's talk about the preparation time. Everyone is different and the preparation time really depends upon how much clinical knowledge you already have. I sat for this exam with the preparation of 4 months and with job, that is internal medicine residency. And I would also recommend 3 to 4 months to all of you who are going to appear in MRCP Part 2. Just polish your MRCP Part 1 knowledge and clinical knowledge. Part 1 uses your theoretical knowledge more, but Part 2 tests your clinical knowledge more and how you can apply your medical knowledge in real life scenarios. Tip number 1. Not to wait too long after passing MRCP Part 1 and appear in MRCP Part 2 because many medical stuff and concepts might slip out of your mind because medicine is volatile. Tip number 2. Set a goal for yourself on daily basis. Tip number 3. Write down every extra information which you consider important in your core book. This approach helps you in your final revision. Now let's talk about study resources for MRCP Part 2. Number 1, core book or your textbook. Number 2, past medicine. And number 3, past test. Past test is closer to real exam than past medicine in MRCP Part 2. Regarding textbook, there are many resources. For example, Rapid Review of Clinical Medicine for MRCP Part 2 by Sanjay Sharma, Complete Data Interpretation of MRCP by Steve Hughes, 150 ECG Cases by John Hampton. And you can learn ECG from the website Life in the Fast Lane and Radiology from Radiopedia. But the foremost book is The Only MRCP Notes by Suda Medica or Step Up MRCP by Khalid Al-Maghribi Notes. Also check NICE guidelines and SIGN guidelines from the official website. Now I will share with you my study routine. Number 1. Make a routine and stick to it. Number 2. Set small targets for yourself on daily basis. It keeps you motivated and excited. Time management is very important. Practice of MCQs is the main thing required for exam preparation. And keep focus and concentrate and give your whole to the exam. Thank you so much. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Allah Hafiz.